Have you ever heard of the Ackee fruit? It's this fascinating tropical fruit that belongs to the same family as lychee and longan. Botanically, it is known as Blegia sapida. And you know what's interesting? Its scientific name is a tribute to Captain William Bligh, who transported the fruit from Jamaica to the Royal Botanic Gardens in England way back in 1793. Its English name, Ackee, comes from the West African Akan language, specifically the term Ackee fufo. Ackee has a bit of a notorious reputation as it's known to be poisonous if improperly consumed. But don't worry, when ripe and prepared correctly, the fruit arils are absolutely safe to eat and are even considered quite delicious. They're a crucial component of various Caribbean cuisines, especially in Jamaica, where ackee is not only the national fruit, but also a delicacy. The ackee tree is an evergreen, growing to about 10 meters with a dense crown. Its leaves are compound, long, and elliptical with leathery leaflets, and the inflorescences are fragrant. The tree blooms during the warm months, producing flowers with greenish-white petals. When it comes to the fruit itself, it's pear-shaped with typically 3 lobes. As it ripens, the ackee changes color from green to a bright red to yellow-orange and splits open naturally to reveal 3 large, shiny black seeds, each partially surrounded by a soft, creamy or spongy white to yellow flesh. It's got a unique nut-like flavor and the texture of scrambled egg. The tree can bear fruit throughout the year, but the main periods of fruit production are typically January to March and October to November. Now, it's pretty cool that there are up to 48 cultivars of ackee. They're mainly divided into 2 types, the butter and the cheese types. The cheese type is pale yellow and is more robust, making it ideal for the canning industry. On the other hand, the butter type has a deeper yellow color, is more delicate, and is better suited for certain cuisines. Unripe ackee, including both pods and seeds, can cause something called Jamaican vomiting sickness due to its hypoglycin content. However, this risk is only associated with unripe fruits. If the pods are bright red and split open easily, they're typically ripe and illness is not a risk. If you do manage to purchase canned ackee, remember to drain it completely as it's usually packed in brine and already cooked. Canned ackee can last for quite a long time. That's all for now about the ackee fruit. I hope you enjoyed this video.